So that's the focuser on. Pretty easy to do. Holes were already pre-drilled for it, so no problem. Finder, I 3D printed a little extension to, as they say, you should have the square the volume of air in front of the lens, so this is 3D printed by myself. The helical focus on this is beautifully smooth. That's why I bought this over the William Optics. There were the two choices. TubeTech guide camera. Need to add an IR cut filter to improve it, because it comes with a, well, let me just show you that, it comes with a clear glass. So IR cut will help to sharpen up your stars for guiding. This has been assembled, by the way, once before, 3D printed caddy for the MeLE Quieter 4C. This will eventually go on a plate on the front with the Wanderer control box, power box. For now, this is for the test. My wife's hairband. Just to keep it in place. This is the TubeTech APS-C one-shot color camera. It's the biggest camera I can put on this at the moment. Everything else I have is smaller. 4/3 sensors, the 1600mm Pros. It's got the S-Bony filter drawer on and just the light pollution filter. Just to help with the one-shot colour. Now to make it a mess with cables, these are new cables. Cables for the test were longer and made much more of a mess. These are all 1/2 meter. Long enough, and will hopefully make a neater solution. Now you see the purpose for the Velcro. For the dew heater. That will eventually be on the Wanderer power box. We'll eventually control that. Power will come from my mount. Dew heater band. I'll take the dew shield off. That's creating a bit of a vacuum. Helps to rotate this a little bit. It is tight, nice snug fit, so it's not one of those, let's say, floppy fuel shields that you can get with some telescopes. Well, there's a lot of play in them. I like to get this as close as I can at the beginning of the dew shield, close to the lens cell itself. And that's again a little bit of Velcro just to tidy things up, so it's not so much of a mess. Okay, power cable for the PC. I'll put that on for a moment. Camera. I like to put both cameras direct onto the PC, even though you could put this on the hub at the back. I prefer them to be direct. The third port will be left for the mount. Yeah, all we have left now is to add power for the PC, and we're ready to go. This looks a lot neater now than it did on the original test, because of course, let me just get it, you get these enormous cables supplied with the camera as you buy them, and yeah, you end up having to bunge them together to neaten it up on here. This doesn't look too bad. This is now in its effectively in its configuration for astrophotography.